Alright, so we are actually in lesson 4-2, not 4-1. And this is a buy or sell a car. There's two parts of it. On this part, you just have a worksheet to do. The homework will be on the second part. So this is 4-2, part A. Okay. So it says, Jason wants to sell his Ford SUV. He compiles these prices from the internet for cars similar to his. Shh, there's still folks taking it. He compiles these prices from the internet for cars similar to his. They're 11,000, 9,000, 12,000, and 10,500 and 9,000. What is the reasonable price for Jason to consider for his SUV? So if we look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different prices. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to find the average of these. It's kind of like taking comps from a real estate thing. Okay, it's just like taking comps, and we're going to figure out what would be original price. Now everything also gets factored in is that the condition of everything. So we're going to take all of these. And divided by 5, and we will get 10,500. Okay, so that is what we want to look at the charger. That's what we want to look at in charging. Now you may have a better condition one, so you might want to look to charge closer to 12,000. It all just depends on your condition of the automobile. Okay, but that's kind of like your base, what you would be looking to charge. Okay, so let's take a look at example 2. It says, Dory is looking for a classic 1976 Firebird. She finds these prices on the internet. 18,000, 77,000, 22,000, 21,200. 19,000, 17,500, and 22,500. She computes the mean as $28,107.43. Okay. Now, that, if you look as overall, is kind of a high number. And the reason why is because of this right here, this 77,000. That is what we call an outlier. Okay. How to use a tabular? Put that into exponential form. The top one. And then separate it. Okay, sorry about that. So what we're going to do, instead of taking the average, is we're going to find what the median is. Okay, so we're going to take this right here, this 17,500. We're going to put in what's called ascending order. That is least to greatest. Ascending order. Least to greatest. Okay, so 17,500. The next one's 18,000. The next one's, and the next one would be 19,000. The next one would be 21,200. The next one's 22,500. The next one would be 22,000. And the last one is 77,000. So we're taking the median. We want the one that is in the middle. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and if you take a look, the one that is in the direct middle is 21,200. Okay, that would be our median right here. And that would be the best representation of the price that you would like to look for. Okay, again, either that was a typo or maybe that one just is in incredible shape, that it's a classic. Okay, all right. Now, what would happen if you didn't have this right here and there was just 6? What you would do, oops, if you didn't have this and it was even, how you'd find the median is you're going to take these two that are in the middle, add them together, and then divide that by 2. So it'll be 19,000 plus 22,500, and then divide that by 2. Okay, that's if it didn't have an exact middle. And looks like we'll probably be getting it on this one, on example 3. Okay, so we want to find the median of the following used cars. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm missing one here. 8630. I'm actually missing one here. This should be 8650. And then we're missing 7700. Okay, so we'll put in ascending order. We've got 5,800 plus 6,700 plus 7,800. Oops, 7,700. That one plus 7,800 plus 8,650 plus 9,100. 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're just going to take this middle 2 because there's 6. 7,700 plus 7,800 divided by 2, and we get $7,750. Okay. Now, on this one, you would kind of want to see if you want to take the mean or the median on there, which would be the best one to use. Okay. All right, let's go to example 4. Okay. It says prices found online for the same navigation system are $295. Yes.
Do we have to stay on recording?
You can go. Okay.
Oh, thanks to them, I guess.
Okay. So prices. We want to find the range of the GPS prices. Okay, so again, so what we're going to do here is we have our data, the prices. We're going to take the greatest one, which is 345, and we're going to subtract it from the least one, which is 199. So it's 345 minus 199, which equals 146. Okay, that is our range. Okay, is 146. Okay. All right. So example 5. Okay, we want to find the quartiles for the tire pressures of the cars at an auto clinic. We have the ones right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 9 of those. Okay, the lower quartile is the bottom 25%. Okay, which is also called the first quartile. The second quartile is half the numbers below what we're going to call Q2. Well, this one right here, lower part first, we call it Q1. This 1 is the subscript. Okay. The second quartile is half the numbers are below Q2, half below Q2. Okay. And half are above. So Q2 is the median. Okay, median, sorry for the writing. The third quartile which we're going to call Q3 is our upper quartile. Which is 75% of the numbers. Right there. Okay, and the maximum value. Thank you. Is going to be Q4. Again, this is our subscript. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. To find Q2, okay, Q2 is our median, so that's going to be the easiest one to find. Okay. So if we look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got 9. So we'll just count 4. 4. So our median is 31. Okay.
It's a computer, bro. Don't be too hard on them.
Our Q3. Okay.
Why would you do it?
So our Q1, we need to find the median of these. Oops, I'm using guys. So our Q1 is going to fall in here. So we need to find the median of these. If you take a look, we've got 17 and 21. So Q1 is 17 plus 21 divided by 2, which equals 19. Our Q3 is going to be, welcome you guys, is up here. And those are the same numbers, so it's obvious it's going to be 32. Because 32 plus 32 divided by 2 is 32. You're welcome. Okay, you're welcome. See you guys. See ya. Sorry, you guys online. I'm talking to another class. Our Q4, okay, is the max, okay, which is 34. Which is 34. Okay.
Were they just like all?
All right.
Yeah, I heard Haley's. But it's okay, I got one of my own.
Hey man, I got one of them wrong. It's okay.
Well, that one I could not do.
I didn't remember how to do the integral test.
I did a little.
Alright, let's go to the beat.
Yeah, dude, we're literally gonna be late.
Gonna be late.
All right, let's,
Dude, all the hot babes are waiting for us.
Stop, bro.
so example 6, what is the difference between Q1 and Q2? You're welcome. From the data
5 seconds.
available.
5.
Okay, all we're going to do here is Q1. It's actually supposed to be Q3. Sorry, not Q1, Q2, Q3. All we'll do is take Q3 minus Q1. Okay. If we look, Q3.
Whole entire trash can. Hello, Mr. Yost.
Is 32 minus 19, which equals 13. So that is your difference right there. Okay. Alright, we're almost here to the end. Okay, for the outliers, find the outliers of these tire prices. Okay, if you want to find these outliers, okay,
How's it going, Louis?
good. How you doing?
Agree, my please?